What you got against Cinnabon cheesecake, honey?
That don't sound good. Cheesecake and Cinnabon. Well, they use cream cheese icing for Cinnabon.
So
it might work.
We're gonna try today. I don't care if they use cream cheese, shredded cheese. We're gonna get it today.
Bro.
What?
Cream cheese and shredded cheese. It's so good.
God. What's up, family, friends, and ooh, got me off guard a little bit, just a little bit. Give me a second. Let me catch my breath. Family, friends, and dreamers. It's the day with Scott Jax. Let's go.
Did you wash your car? Good. Did you wash your back of it?
Yes.
Okay. Your web still stink.
He can't spell. That was kind of disrespectful, brother.
This is a day with Scott Jax. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. So today it's Father's Day. Hey. No, but about to go to eat. My auntie is taking us out to eat. Me, my brother. I don't know who else is the father, but somebody else has a father. But I gotta go pick my child up. He went to the basketball court. But your boy looking kind of spiffy. Look, I got the little chucks on today. Let me show you. I got little white tee, little V-neck, you know what I'm saying? Slim fit. White chucks on. You know what I'm saying, Lou? Let me get my ass to this car. It's hot as hell out here. And y'all see who I got in the car with me. The one and only Scoobe Corleone. No, but we about to roll out because Auntie is taking us to dinner. I mean, it's funny though, it's her birthday, so happy birthday, Auntie. I don't know like why you doing this on your birthday, but it's cool. You know, I have some plans. I think that I'm gonna tell y'all. She don't know yet. I think I'm gonna take her to the Dominican Republic for her birthday. We can't go this week or next week. We can't go in the next month at all because we go to LA in a couple of days. So we are going to LA, and then I'm going to Hawaii. So I think her birthday present is going to be going to the Dominican. You want to go to the Dominican Republic? You know what that is?
How far is it?
Like 6 hours away on a flight. It's an island, boy, in the middle of the water. You know? Oh, you don't know?
So yeah.
So yeah, that's what I think we're gonna do. Like before he go back to school in August, I think that's what we're gonna do for Auntie. Take her to the Dominican, you know, all inclusive. Just chill, have a couple of days out there, turn up. I'm gonna turn up. They're gonna turn down. I don't know what they're gonna be doing, but you know, Scooby, I probably can't even see him. You know, being all inclusive at a resort. He probably don't know what to do with himself. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. But right now, I'm about to go eat, meet up with the family, and do what we do over there. And see y'all in a little bit. And happy Father's Day again. If I didn't say it in the beginning of the video to everybody out there, this is why I'm a father. This guy right here. And I know who your kid is, but my kid cool as hell. Oh well, I'll let y'all later. Peace. Anyway, oh come on, guys. Where my keys at? I had to drop my damn keys. We just arrived and I dropped my keys. We back. Hey, something smells good though. I don't know if that's a Cheesecake Factory. Oh, they're going Auntie right there. Auntie right there. Come out of nowhere. I need to see if she got her passport though if I try to plan this trip to Dominican, you know what I'm saying? Look at this dude. Hey, Scooby. Auntie right there. They're going to Josh right there. He just walking and shit. Your cousin right there, boy. Here. So shoot, get some of this Cheesecake Factory in your system. I don't even know. I'm gonna try a different cheesecake today. I think I'm gonna try a different cheesecake. I can't go for the same old that I normally do. I want to be a little different. It ain't even hot today. Wind blowing, it's about 100 degrees, but the wind blowing, little breeze. Appreciate it, little nigga. That face last night? Oh, you black now? You black?
FedEx. Look like a beach girl still.
Gloves, I like your gloves.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
I don't want to be in your vlog.
What are you doing here? What's up, man?
What's up, man?
Man, happy Father's Day night.
Man,
Yeah,
same,
you joined the
man.
club. You joined the club.
know, right?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
You got me forgot about your girl.
Oh, it's Father's Day.
Yeah, but it's your day too.
Father's Day, birthday. That's why you should sit right here. Because you're going to be all over YouTube today, young.
I don't want to be on YouTube.
Let me tell y'all something. This is my best friend.
What's your best friend?
She's from Louisiana. She barely get to go outside. Hey, don't tell me like, hey, she knew that. I don't know why I don't know why you did that. Like they be hunting alligators and stuff.
No, stop lying.
Y'all don't be messing with alligators out there?
No.
They be in the swamp.
Three fathers here with their Father's Day gifts.
Okay, for just a moment.
I'm gonna tell you about this company. This company, Journey, is all about promoting Black fatherhood. And Jeff Johnson, the public activist, he has this company and he created these gifts that were specific to Black fathers and celebrating the fraternity that you belong to, which is the fraternity of Black fathers. So, got each of you a gift from Journey. And there, this is Dallas.
Box of Scott gonna do his right now.
I don't know what this is. Yeah, the muscus.
Oh, okay, right there, boy. You might have to help your daddy back then. You know me.
You're doing one at a time. Now when y'all open it, they gotta read the top. You gotta read it's a vanity box, so keep the box, so don't mess up the box. So read the inside label of the box so I can read it to you.
Yeah, read it to us, bro. I know we ain't being secret.
Read that out loud.
Of the greatest fraternity on the face of the earth. Now you got here is less important on how you showed up and what is why Journey exists. For the men who have dedicated their fatherhood is more than an obligation. For men like you who are excited, terrified, overjoyed, and overwhelmed. You have no idea how you're going to get this thing, but you have every intention of showing up with all that you don't even know.
This thing about talking about them bags too.
No, but don't. No,
I was about to say,
no, because his name was too many letters.
Oh, okay.
So I was going to put Dallas Dyson established 2021. That's when you became a dad.
Oh, it's all good. Hey, we all know. They got the coat, they got the polo on top.
Hey, you know what's crazy though? You came with the Crown Royal bag and shit. I don't even drink like that. I like the man who did your box raise. Who did your box raise?
If you post me, I'ma sue you.
You can't sue me. You should be, now you already knew I was gonna be here, right? So you came to join our family. So you can leave. Door right there. Door right there.
Not messing with my cousin.
She came to join our family function. She knew I was gonna be here. So you know I was
You want to be set on camera, that's the problem.
She liked the attention. She don't get outside much.
Looking like somebody uncle down there. That's from his OE. That's from his kids.
You say what?
Look at you.
He's on that tip dog, man. Y'all, man, it's some bull.
Cheesecake. Cinnamon cheesecake. Hey, this mug got a fire though. I'm not got a fire.
We came out here for Father's Day, and they was like, you know, we in the
Connie she don't agree, but it's fire.
I was like, well, I told the girl.
You like cinnamon?
We did the whole
You like cinnamon?
And so yeah, and I was like, man,
Why?
we got
You're gonna change your life.
bags from the company from Jeff Johnson, the political activist. So he has a company.
Told you, you're gonna change your life. This is respect. What's up?
She don't eat cereal.
You eat cereal?
She eats cereal without the milk. Yeah.
Oh, so
And frosted flakes. Frosted flakes. Oh, she got Fruity Pebbles too. She do
so why you can't help your child out?
Because I'm going on vacation already, so I don't need to spend no money before.
That's right.
Feeding kids that when they mamas and parents should have fed them.
Haley got a little change in her bank.
Oh my goodness.
I don't send her broke. I don't send her broke.
Okay.
She has her own debit card.
The way she emphasized feed kids.
Right. She don't need to spend that.
Because everything is so far, so we have to get up and drive.
We just ate. Auntie hooked us up with these nice bags. I don't know if I showed you guys the bag, if you guys was able to actually get a good look when we was inside the Cheesecake Factory. When I get home, I'm gonna pull it out and show you guys. It's gonna become my new traveling bag, so I'll get a chance to travel with it on Friday. We go to LA for my sister's birthday and my little cousin Josh's birthday. You know, just see the family, do some stuff. So I'm gonna get a chance to use it very soon. Look at my niece, so glasses. Look at her. Look at Haley. And look at these two right here. Two stooges. Me and Scooby gonna head home. Scooby don't want to drive. He said I'll be yelling at him and stuff, which I don't think I'll be yelling at him like that, but oh well. I'll let y'all later. Damn, I was gonna go to the gym, but I didn't realize it was so late. No, I definitely ain't going to the gym. I'm gonna go in the morning. See y'all when I get to the crib. Just got to the crib, doing what I do, living how I live. Got back from the Cheesecake Factory. Oh, okay. The youngster gave me a Father's Day gift. What is this? A cork? My child, guess he must think I'm a wino or something. He gave me this for Father's Day. It says, my favorite child gave me this. My only child gave me this, actually. It has like a corkscrew. Thank you, Scooby Jackson. I didn't think he was gonna give me nothing. I thought he forgot about it, actually. So we just got home. Oh, I gotta take me a shower. Got videos to edit and all that good old stuff. Got to pack. You know, we go to California in a couple of days. Oh, let me show you what Auntie got me. She got me. Now, it's a lot of stuff on this. It says, Dad, congratulations on being a member of the greatest fraternity on the face of the earth. Now, how you got here is less important than how you show up. I ain't about to read all that. Y'all can figure it out later. Y'all can freeze the video. But you got us these bags. I know I travel, so my name is on here. Where's my name at? My name is on here somewhere. I know I've seen it. My name is on here. Oh, there it goes. Scott Jax. Y'all see it? Oh, that was fire too. So I'm gonna use this. Actually, using this when I travel to LA on Friday. Instead of using my other bag, and this thing is nice little size too. Got that cowhide leather.
What?
You know what I'm saying? Got the Laker purple on the inside. Got the phone charger thing in here. Not the phone charger, the USB charger deal. just want to say thank you to Auntie again. Thank you for the gift and for dinner. Thank you to my child Scooby for the wine glass and the corkscrew remover deal. For him, you know, just being a great kid, not getting on my damn nerves all the time. He do be getting on my nerves though. It'd be about like stupid stuff though, like, Dad, when you gonna pay me my money type stuff. But it's not like he's bad. He just be wanting his money for his grades. But anyway, it's your guy Scott Jax. This is my Father's Day vlog. I got a lot of stuff for all of y'all. Holler at your boy. Peace. See you later. Arriba Dirty and all that good old stuff. I don't even know what Arriba Dirty means. It doesn't matter. Goodbye.
Scott Jax Entertainment.